Welcome back to the JDE podcast. Ons is hier by die stortingterrein waar inwoners heeltemal water in hulle wonings gehad het. En daar was geen noodhulp uitgestuur of skuiling vir die inwoners nie. En wat is die munisipale plig van Disaster Management Act in so 'n geval?
In sommige gevalle word meeste van die inwoners raak gesien by die gesig.
Yes.
En in
No
ander
face, no
gevalle
case.
kyk ons in die agterstrate van die tipe soos hulle op noem dumping site. You don't notice, they never notice the people that's scraping under.
Yeah,
They
are barely seen and
they're
heard.
barely seeing it. And on the board, as you can see, they say it's the time and the dates when Kannaland municipalities come and do afval storting terrein goede.
They have operating hours,
Yeah,
but you don't see anything
But
operate
no one
in
is
any
actually
hour.
here doing the work. There's no securities. They hire somebody that actually lives here. But I feel like for kids, how can anyone live
In such
in
circumstances.
in such circumstances, even in such dirty, filthy environment? I mean, like, they got the pigs over there in the corner, and then they got all the dumping sites right close to where people live. Did you see the site?
How can you live in such circumstances? And they just gave out houses
Yeah.
to young people.
And I feel like, are these people being seen? Do they even know that these people are living on their properties? Van nie vir die mense wil huise gee nie, gee hulle die ou store vir die mense om in te bly. Maar yet again gaan hulle sê as die eie mense se eie vrye wil wat hulle by die tip wil bly. Want wat kies het hulle as hulle nie 'n roof over their heads het nie. Seker maar iets wat ek ook in die toekoms sal gedoen het. But as you can see,
We are on our
another
way.
pretty picture. Here we are.